let's talk about crepes. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious sweet treat that is sure to be a crowd pleaser. You're going to impress your friends and family because they are that easy and that beautiful and delicious. We're going to go over the basic recipe, but before we do that, I want to talk about our all-new Blackstone 4-piece professional griddle crepe kit. This thing has all the tools you need to become a crepe master in no time. Let's start by getting our griddle set to medium heat and adding a little bit of unsalted butter. I like to use a paper towel to make sure this is a very thin, delicate layer of butter. Now, if you guys don't have the basic crepe recipe, I'll leave a link down in the description. You can find that on blackstoneproducts.com. We're gonna add some of our crepe batter. Now, here is where the tools are really important. This crepe dough is the essential tool to getting a perfectly even and thin crepe. So we're gonna place one end of the crepe spreader in the center and make smooth circular motions, letting the weight of the dowel do the work. You don't want to push down, you want to let the weight of the tool do the work for you. Spread it nice and thin to make our beautiful crepe. We're going to cook that for about 2 minutes or so. Then we're going to grab our spatula, which is the perfect tool to get up underneath the edge just to make sure everything is loose, and give it a flip so you can see the crepe is done when it pretty much loosens up and is ready to go by itself. Now we're gonna give it a flip, cook it for another 60 seconds or so, then we're gonna bring it over to our cutting board. Now is the fun part, time for the filling. I'm gonna add some almond butter evenly to one side, then some thin slices of banana. We're gonna add a drizzle of honey, and these flavors together make such an amazing flavor profile. You guys are gonna love it. Now fold it in half, and then in half again to create our beautiful folded crepe. And we're gonna garnish with a zigzag drizzle of honey and a little bit of chocolate sauce. This really is stunning. The last little part we need is the powdered sugar, and we're all done. That, my friends, is a masterpiece. So simple, we're talking 3 or 4 minutes from beginning to end. If you guys are looking for a recipe that is dressed to impress, then this is the one for you. It is amazingly simple and crazy delicious. Be sure to check out your local Walmart, see if you can find this crepe kit in a store near you. And if you guys want this recipe and a ton more, go to blackstoneproducts.com. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.